While working, the woodcutter accidentally drops his axe into the river. A magical creature emerges from the water, offering a golden axe to the woodcutter. The woodcutter refuses the golden axe and asks for his own back. Impressed by his honesty, the creature gives both axes to the woodcutter. The woodcutter learns a valuable lesson about honesty and integrity. He returns home with 2 axes and newfound wisdom. The villagers are amazed by his good fortune. The woodcutter shares his story and emphasizes the importance of honesty. The moral of the story is, honesty is the best policy. It's a happy ending for the honest woodcutter.